I'm going to do a grid search. I'm going to do some transforms. I'm going to, bring in other data, right? Like data, some data wrangling. Like this is all how it ties together, right? So that's why I'm providing, the bold is obviously my notes on it, right? But again, I just want you guys to kind of take a step back and realize that everything in data science is correlated, right? Because I'm assuming you've seen some of these other items, right? Where you have articles or other tutorials or whatever that have come across about model selection or your errors or this or feature engineering or whatever, right? This is all the same thing. There are other terms, other ways for you to think about it, okay? Shravan says, when discussing model selection, are we referring to supervised or unsupervised learning? Shravan, that's a great question. I would say this is the second question. The first question is being able to recognize whether you're looking at a supervised problem or an unsupervised problem. And that's it. Just make a distinction between the two, nothing else. And like I said earlier, that's where your decision should stop. Because you might be able to say, oh, yeah, that looks like a linear regression problem. But that can turn into a form of bias because guess what? Now you're only trying linear regression models. There could be other models that work better, right? So so model selection, to address your question exactly, model selection would be step 2. And model selection is a process of experimentation, not of your own bias of, oh, well, yeah, this looks like it's regression, so let me only try regression, right? That's super dangerous, right? That's like a researcher bias. So love the question, Sravan, but it's step 2. Step 1 is recognizing what kind of problem you have. And step 2 is, okay, now I'm going to experiment and try to find that model. Okay? Great question.